You wouldn't believe it. Remember the 90 that's been here 6 months? He gave me a call this morning to say he was coming tonight to pick it up. He's paid me and everything, that's not a problem. Boy, did he take some finding. He's actually a doctor in Montreal, but he was working in Sherbrooke Hospital. Anyway, I got in touch with the hospital because I searched for his name and I found his name, searched for it, rang up the hospital, said no, he's still here, technically, but he's not here. So I asked my friend who was on Facebook, I said, can you find this guy? Sure enough, found him in Montreal. The worst part about it was, well, you know, he got in touch and says, yeah, we're going to move it. He rang me up from the number that I'd been calling him every 2 weeks. He couldn't be bothered to call. So I'm going to dig that out now, get it started. I have to put the battery on and get it started. But on a side note, somebody asked me a little while ago, what does my compressor weigh and why do I need to put some brakes on it? Well, the reason I want to put brakes on it is for if it's standing on any like slope or anything like that, I don't want the damn thing to run away. But I've got a digital scale on, so we're going to have a look how much it actually weighs. It is kind of heavy. Right, I hope you can read this, but I'm going to lift it up. It's on 0 now, so when I lift it up the camera will go out of shot, but we'll have a look and see. Just hold on. Might be noisy. There we go. 707 kilos. A little bit of weight on there. $707 kilos. I don't know what that is in real money. You should be able to change this scale over to pounds, but I'll leave it in kilos. Yeah, so it is kind of heavy, eh? It's not the sort of thing you're going to pull around on your own. So that's that. See you later.